This is a Dodge caliper. What you're looking at is the alternator. To remove the alternator or the compressor here, or anything to do with removing the belt. This is for the crankshaft. And then up there above the crankshaft, maybe dark, is where the water pump is. And on top, you might not be able to see, would be the oil pump. Right here, you're the pulley, and above it, just above it, is the tensioner. Look the same, but the difference is it can be flexed. So you would pull, like get what you call a spanner, or you can use even a vice grip. Anything that you can use to lock onto the bolt, like this. But as I'm saying, it is above and it's a bit dark. Let's see if I can light. Oh, the air. No, battery too low for the light. Anyways, what you do is hold to this nut like this, and then you pull it this way, that way. And what happens when you pull it this way, it will push that way. So you pull it that way, and then it push that way, and the belt will be loosened. When the belt loosen, then you can pull it off, just ease it off, and then you take off the belt, release it to take out any one of these electrical parts. Yes, I've seen a lot of videos where, you know, you're maybe asking questions about how to pull these things, but they are vague, just like mine. But with the explanation, you might understand. So to remove the belt, you hold on to the tensioner, which would be the one